Hello everyone and welcome. So today something a bit different for the channel. It's an unboxing video. Don't do many unboxing videos because I don't buy a lot of stuff. But this is actually my son's unboxing video, and I'm going to show you the footage of it and just do this little talk at the beginning here and then talk about it at the end. So my son is a massive football fan, and he's been talking about wanting a new football shirt. Now, he's got plenty of Manchester United football shirts. He's a Manchester United fan. And he's got a Forest one as well, because he does support them because it's our local team. But he decided he wanted to buy a surprise shirt. Now, I never heard of this, didn't know it was a thing. But I know you can get surprise boxes, well, like a monthly box for Formula One. And I'm a massive Formula One fan. I've not jumped into doing it yet. I have thought about it, but it's quite a lot of money a month. So at the moment, I've not committed to it. But my son has got some money for his birthday. So he said, Dad, I really want a surprise football shirt. So I said to him, well, where are we going to get a surprise football shirt? So he went online and he's found a company called Surprise Shirts. So this is in no way sponsored by them. We've just ordered it online and paid for it. So we have no idea what's coming, but we'll have a look at it. So I'll just give you a little bit of backstory into this company, Surprise Shirts. Basically, it's set up by an 18-year-old boy called Louis from Lincolnshire. He's the founder of the company. So he started it in August 2020, so not been going very long, and it's a family business, and he does it with his dad and his uncle. So yeah, we'll see what happens when it comes. I will share the link to the website if you want to check them out yourselves. Like I say, no commission. I'm just want to share what my son gets. So let's hope it's a good one, folks, because I've got no idea and he has no idea. So yeah, it's coming. So we'll do the unboxing video now. Right, it's here. So we're going to unbox it now. So it comes in a brown envelope. So this is what it looks like. So as Lewis says, I think I open it from the bottom, Lewis. There. Oh. So what does it say then? So what you got? What's that? Telling you about. Thank you. We'd love it if you posted a picture of your shirt on social media. Oh, every picture posted goes to the monthly prize draw. Okay. So this is what you've got, Lewis. SPVGG Bayreuth home shirt. German football club based in the town of Bayreuth in Bavaria. The Ulstertowners currently compete in the Regionale Bayern, the top tier of Bavarian football. 4th tier in Germany. Okay. This home shirt was worn by the club in the season to forget for Bayreuth. The club finished rock bottom of the 3rd Liga. Oh dear. Okay. That's just 10% off the next purchase, right? Oh, it comes with a little pack of Haribos. Yeah. What do you reckon to it?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
So that is Lewis's top from Surprise Shirts. Very interesting top, and absolutely no one's going to have a clue who they are. Has it got a no number on the back now? So yeah, something different. So folks, SPVGG Bayreuth is a German football club based in the town of Bayreuth in Bavaria. The club's nickname is the Old Towners. They currently compete in the Regionale Bayern, the top tier of Bavarian football, which is a regionalised section of the fourth tier in Germany. Their home matches are played at Hans Walter Wild Stadium with a capacity of 21,500. So yeah, they've got a decent capacity stadium. Bayreuth were 2 games away from earning promotion to the Bundesliga in 1979, but unfortunately they lost out. This home shirt was worn by the club in the season to forget for Bayreuth. The club finished rock bottom of the third Liga, confirming their relegation to the 4th division. So yeah, that's a bit of info that comes with the shirt. So yeah, quite interesting. So that's it, folks. What do you think to that? The shirt, I will tell you, cost just over £30. So actually not a bad price, really, considering. And yeah, he is very happy with it. So massive thank you to Louis and the family. And yeah, absolutely fantastic company. Surprise shirts. So go check them out online. And we're going to order some more. We're going to probably wait till Christmas and then we'll buy him. You can buy like a 3-month bundle. So we'll probably go ahead and do that and buy it him for his Christmas present. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Massive appreciated. Tell me what you think in the comments, and if you're a football fan or not, what do you think to the top? Thank you very much, and goodbye.